Stop laughing, Chris.
I'm not laughing.
Yes, you
it's
are.
Very serious.
You're yeah, serious with a smile. All right, let's go outside. Let's get to something else because that's strange. As we look outside, Georgetown right now, RV Outlet Mall, got a little bit of cloud cover there. I-35 looks good. Deborah's going to get you caught up on traffic. Yesterday, well, in the morning and the afternoon, eventful. Noontime, we had that truck that caught fire on Mopac that had a lot of cars stopped up. Actually, it was rather intimidating. Huge clouds of black smoke coming off of it. Make sure you watch the car. Make sure you check the temperature on your car. If you start to overheat, don't try to race to get somewhere. Make sure you get everybody out of there. Those things can burn up quick. 80 degrees, the temperature right now. We've got a light breeze out of the south at 6 miles per hour. Humidity at 82%. Our temperatures are running upper 70s to 80 degrees here in Austin, 81 in Llano. Once clouds clear, we're going to see a lot of sunshine and a lot of heat today. 84 up in Dallas. You can see upper 70s, low 80s all across the state. Got a little bit of cloud cover here. You're seeing that on the tower cams around, but not any rainfall. Even had a few showers come up on the Texas coast yesterday. Didn't do us any good. We don't expect it to do us any good anytime soon unless something develops in the Caribbean, the Gulf, or the Atlantic for that matter. But there is nothing headed our direction. You've got little green dots here and there. I think these are overemphasized by the extreme heat that we are going to experience in the next 7 days at least. Let's take a look at our forecast for today. 102 for the high. Winds out of the south at 5 to 15. Tonight, temperatures down to 78. And here's where things get serious. All kidding aside, this is where family elder care is going to need your help. You're going to need to make sure that everybody around you is safe and secure. Make sure those car doors are locked so kids can't get in them. Why? Because we have temperatures to 102 today, 103 tomorrow, 104 for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, 105 on Wednesday, and 104 on Thursday. Not a drop of rain in the forecast after today, and even today's chance is less.